It's a very welcoming morning.
Morning.
Look outside. Look outside.
Yeah.
You see the weather.
Right.
You see the life.
Yeah, right.
You see the life.
Yeah.
You see the heart.
Right.
When you see the heart, you see the love.
Yeah.
When you see in the love.
Yeah.
When there is no mommy, there is
Right.
no daddy.
Right.
When there is no daddy,
Right.
there is no children.
Yeah, two up.
Right.
When there is no children.
There is no children.
Yeah.
No noise.
So, kami naman yung regret na kasi kung ano is may
No, there's no. The noise is very good.
Okay.
It's it's
Okay.
cover the noise.
Okay, it's on.
It's cover the noise.
Ya, baru tadi bikin menikan sarah saya untuk mayan.
Yeah.
Betapa berani kuap.
Right.
Bikin menin baru ngawalis yung mayan. Dia suka keruan. Dia suka keruan poin di ruang FM.
Yeah.
Dia suka keruan FM.
Right.
Dia suka keruan poin di orang FM mereka. Dia suka keruan poin di mana FM mereka. Coral Coast.
Yeah.
Benga, Yanuda. Kena beyatu yan boleh kata nambara bikin singato.
Iyo.
Isa.
A good morning to
Mike.
Ndi to Lena Nidakau and
Iyo.
also to Thames Rabai.
Yeah.
This is the family. This from Natuba.
Oh, yeah.
Taibungali
Taibungali,
Telebu.
Right.
Joining from Australia this morning
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
Thames Rabai.
Yeah.
And also to Liki Singay Mata.
Alright.
All the way from Maduata.
Yo,
From
Yes.
Korotumbu Maduata.
Alright.
Nangalulu Nema and Ana.
Iyo.
What your boy Lisho Sia pambibinga be Owu.
Yeah.
And Mataka binagani kuwa.
Isa.
There was sa limto na kuch-kuch na ngonongo
Alright.
Before there's only a few especially for the boys, for us boys
Yeah. Side down, flat top,
attending
leave the back.
sa primary school then back then
Yeah.
Iko bukilan na pialakat iko sambo pialakat which
Pialakat
yeah.
was my mom's main hairstyle.
Okay, before that you said you have the army card there.
I am cut.
Yeah.
See the army cut here with me, 0.5.
Yeah, to sa sa squad.
When you
That's
cut
cool.
your hair like that,
Yeah.
the amicat,
Yeah.
we can see the Wendy Duster.
Das tanggor na manembe. Mula mula katu Farasiko Nrabu.
Yeah.
This fella is joining from the Washington DC.
Okay.
In the USA.
In the USA, thank you very much. He joining from one app.
Hey,
He
yeah.
download the app of VTFM.
Right.
Whenever you play the VTFM app,
Right.
if the song is played,
Yeah.
you see the song,
Right.
you see the artist.
Right.
Okay.
Whatever written in here in the system,
Yeah.
they see from outside.
Okay.
Thank you. Some of us, we want to know which song.
Yeah.
Download the app of VTFM now.
Right.
You follow the Facebook page.
Yeah.
You like the Facebook page.
Right.
So everything is happening.
Right.
Is happening within your surrounding.
Regards to the president
Yes.
in
Who?
America.
Oh, good.
Pamulo tani bichone kumete.
Andra.
Ndamu na Korea.
Iyo.
So.
Kalau kata cakap nabi karabi saja, nabi nama lebih besar dari sama tumai.
Tell us more about the pialakat kere-kere.
Pialakat is a former haircut
Okay.
before. Now
Yeah.
you can see that now it's like a
back
hit.
again, it's coming back again.
It's hit again.
Yeah.
The pialakat before.
Yeah.
You know the piala for eating.
Yeah.
The bowl soup.
Yeah.
That one
Tapi ala nakap.
is a cup.
Yeah.
Kaya bulu talaga. So, you take that, you put on top of your head.
Right.
So where is no cover,
Yeah.
you use it for cutting.
Okay.
So you leave that. But now, people are taking mathematics,
Yeah.
are taking physics.
Yeah.
They can calculate the areas within your eyebrows.
Yeah.
Alam mo kung talaga?
Yeah.
Nah, longonek.
Long neck ngor lambia. You got it. Now it's a hit.
Right.
One day we will be back to
Normal.
history.
Right.
Yeah.
Now because Hayatawati will
Yeah.
be hit again.
Yeah,
But
we will sing,
in
eh?
different.
Yeah.
In different style.
Right.
Before, they use a sirutaku
Yeah.
to cut.
Yeah.
That's
Right.
what I use.
Cut
Yeah.
what?
Hair.
Oi.
Yeah.
So when you cut hair,
Yeah.
when you cut hair using the
Beras kata.
Beras kata Cornelto.
Iya.
The narcotics.
Yeah.
Now use a clipper.
I saw some clips on Facebook,
Yeah.
in the Philippines. Some of them they use the chopper.
Yes, try.
Huh?
And alam na ka Marika Bote, staff
Iyo.
ka din ni Main Town Supermarket.
Right.
And aparte si bunita ka na matali ko. Mada Mangal.
Right.
Alam na ka berto na Bailey Bridge Nambua Region Mobile.
Right.
Pwede na ka talaga berto na crew na captain of the MV Daya
Gounder
Shipping na matali ko.
Just
So sa
mga
tulang
turang.
alam na ka. Si Sari pagsuka.
Right.
Obi, ano re?
Iyo.
Sa Rari suka talang ka ng gobi.
Iyo.
And mataka binaka day.
Luis Dualase turang balamu tu bola benaka bengkara besar cunggar main buku yang mangon main ba.
Saan sina?
Kay Tuyambua.
Tuimbua.
Duyan benaka John Reef bola benaka o Miriam Naidula. Arto menano minangon ne buli kala swalo ni Noko District School. And tikina ko tampani vono nanduri main nandronga nanon tiko bakemba. And baba raw ni non rabetarongi ni FEYE Sanjena.
Bulmana lewa ante betawalu akhirnya betitili tebi tesoro.
Right.
Arto mesimila lo toka takolote hana benaka matakali kwa.
Thank you.
And our story kere
Last story. We all know that zebra, tiger,
Zebra cross.
lion,
Iya.
scorpion, leopard,
Cobra,
cobra,
mosquito coil.
mosquito coil in Fiji. They all in overseas base.
Yeah.
Right.
They are from Africa.
Cheetah. Yeah.
The cheetah.
Yeah.
They only live in that kind of place. But the name,
Elephant.
the elephant.
Right.
Why can this kind of animal can live in Fiji?
They can live in Fiji,
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's not allowed. Not allowed.
but sa sinrambuli tu ke pakaram ke, en lalu tu kan tao ni lala koro.
Yeah.
Iya.
As a gang in Fiji, very small. Small place. If the
gonna-
lion here, oh, as a gang.
No one here.
Yeah.
No one here.
Yeah.
Go Nukulau.
Carry on.
So from there, this kind of animal, they are certain animal.
Yeah.
They can adapt.
Right.
They can live
Right.
in a small or the area that they can survive.
Right,
To,
right.
So
Yeah.
in Fiji, there is a certain animal in Fiji they can live or survive in other nations.
Right.
Right.
Because of the weather,
Iya.
because of the food,
Yeah.
Yeah.
because of the temperature,
Correct.
because of the humidity,
Right.
Iya.
and because of the
Of the what?
of their life
Atmosphere.
Yeah.
atmosphere. So
Iya.
this fella was watching movie. The small young fella,
Yeah.
like 5 years old, he was watching movie. After then, he was hunger.
Isa.
He was
Oh, 7 round. 7 round.
Okay.
So,
Watching movie.
watching movie.
It's a Friday movie
Yeah,
night.
Friday midnight, like this.
Okay,
So,
okay, the village boy.
He village boy.
Alright.
Yeah, village boy.
How much is that?
Robert 5.
Yeah.
He
Around
was,
5. 5 years old. Okay.
5 years old.
Yeah.
He was roaming around, he was hunger.
Yeah.
When after hunger,
Yeah.
he was looking for a house to hunger.
To eat.
To eat the food.
Yeah.
So he enters one hall.
Yeah, one
Where it's
hall.
full of noise coming from.
Yeah.
This is women, they doing the tali, the buningone.
Alright.
Living mat.
Yeah, they are weaving mat.
Yeah.
So he entering. When he entering,
Tu sarang karon na bumbu.
Mumbu was there.
Yeah.
Ma,
Yeah.
ma,
Where were you?
where are you?
Yeah.
Where's the coconut? No coconut. I want to eat.
Let's
Go-
baby.
Where you come from?
Yeah.
Indonesia.
I come from the movie. Tuno kali sumena sarlelo. I come from the movie. What movie? Ma.
Muma.
Ma. Ma. You know what?
Yeah.
I watching one movie.
Yeah.
This one Menetta is a man.
Right.
Magnet.
Man.
Okay. Oh, the main actor.
Menetta is a man.
Anong the magnet?
Magnet ko na pakambi. Napakambi bola. So when this man coming, he was talking to the village boy, 5 years old.
Yeah.
So the village boy so village boy. So the village boy was there.
Yeah.
Hey, good morning to actually Temo and also to KNP.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Neta ni wang kasanga.
Yeah. Tukar mo ko kereta mo yawan. Bumbu was everywhere.
Iya, bumbu si everyone suruh for papa. That's bumbu. Bumbu.
Yeah.
So from there,
Yeah.
he entering,
Yeah.
telling the story. You know what they?
Sa mekan na sa tiga butalan no.
Okay, you telling the story in Fijian,
Yeah.
I'm telling in the.
Sa mekan na sa tiga butalan no nroto makumburo to.
Alright.
When he was eating, this small boy was sharing the story.
Lesto mo ka batan to na level lu. Kaya to tukan torsis diri kota.
Right.
He was
Sini botol libu tumango kla.
He was about-
tumangan wasun boy.
Right.
He was about to in the coconut tree. No trousers, no underwear, no everything.
Why?
He was only cover themselves with on trousers gloves.
Wah.
Come. On.
Oh, talo no ko virtu.
Yeah, he was selling the story.
Selling.
Sharing.
Atau taruhan bumbu iko to dapat to sarap. Ba't so nang kasi sarap lalu chiko.
You watch kind of movie what?
Iya.
What kind of movie you watch?
So, nang kasi-
Some oldies was there?
Sayang kitungan
No,
lalang.
ano niya sa
Oh, okay.
small
Sa
one.
talo sa
Ala rin ko, mana?
Yeah. So they shooting.
Iya.
Up in the mountain, they come under the hill. One sniper was there.
Main
Was
boy.
from the bad boys.
Iya.
Tama-tama.
Iya.
So one sniper too was there in the main actor.
Iya.
So they shoot the wrong boys.
Iya.
So when wrong boys was come, the bad boys, the boys was there inside. So this fellow was running. They was hunting and gathering him.
Iya.
They running.
Warna muka.
So good.
They was running. Nobody was catching him. But they enter cave.
Right.
Inside the cave.
Iya.
They
Sa
got,
concave.
huh? When entering the cave,
Yeah.
there was a wild bat.
Yeah.
Many.
Uy.
They surrounded with them.
Bekang ko.
Right.
Bekango.
Iya.
So when the bat was trying to come outside,
Iya.
due to their coming,
Big bat.
this one was hurt
Iya.
because of their
Sharp
sharp hand.
Iya.
So they come outside,
Right.
come outside, run again. He want to survive. After that, he saw one house of bees. Doon sa Panioni. House of bees.
Yeah.
The only place he can survive, he can climb.
Yeah.
Because the bees on top.
You know, sinapa.
The sniper was there. Was looking for somebody to. Was looking for something to eat. The bat was there. They were surrounded by cops. So when they running,
Dilma mouth.
nilbay mouth menini. Akilaw mbuni ngone, akilaw ngone ni talong ko misada pa.
Sarto kan cuma na friend eh.
Sarto kan itu mana friend.
Sarto sudah ketena.
Sarto kan nomor tu menela lo salah juga ketena. When they come like this, they shoot the house of the horn.
Iya. Balik apa ya?
Palion.
Uy.
They shoot the house of the horn.
Mata di sini.
The only place, the only surrounding he will be survive is in the water.
Yeah.
So when he was looking inside the water,
He was running.
he was running.
Yeah.
He was running on the water.
And the horns coming after him.
After him,
Sarto mo recommend
they recall
Yeah.
He left the clothes.
Yeah.
Very heavy.
Iya.
Memosi.
Well, lima na mita pa na pon.
After 5 meters from the board, the fella jump.
Iya.
The jump not. The head first. Not reach the destination. The head was on the soil. And the leg was forced. And forced him into the water.
Iya.
And inside the water, para ibang ko kasatan lang ko aperto ng buningon.
Yeah.
Kilambu nang ono sa rin kiribang komen boy, karido kondo na tombo.
Iya.
Rin mo ngono tombo. Sa diri utuwal tungango na utunube. Abang ngoro to, nada ba ya? Na utunube. Kila na utunube ko sinimbola may
Lagi.
balagi.
Itu apa lagi?
The breadfruit hanging. The breadfruit caterpillar.
Dalam mata kalika ya, dalam mata kalika.
Lama tagali kala layar ndo silim tunan re. Era panggeleng-geleng itu. Kasi bola may tay. Echunga ibit. Tuno kan lo re menala. Tuno ka amu nung re bang menala lo men boy sala ko main.
Iya.
Tu da to men boy botekan ndakai. Osuna pa may muri. Ara to kondo no tombo. Ara ni bang kono tombo. Era sa diri tu na utonube.
In English.
In English,
Yeah.
when they see the pond,
Yeah.
they see the bread caterpillar. Nauto ba't kinanube?
Dadang mekana.
Denda na mekana. Ala ba ko sambu ta?
Bata na ketena. Atau sakit ikan cuma boys. Saya tama ko sumanda italan.
Aba ko mbundo sila man tabi ko tapioca. Dalaw ko imbulo talaga may biti. Aba ko mbundo sila ko tapioca. Dalaw ko turun ko ni korta talaga ni korong ko sa lori talaga menelalo.
Lewu.
Gaya
Ayaw,
nyo
sir,
snipa. Saya potong dari rai.
Iya.
O turun ni kor tapi tu na sila.
Apa lagi sar ya? Ini dua mau sar itu di kor.
Ada betul turun ni koro. Ni ka tunay balu. Sin bero ka senga. Do tubi ko nang tabui. Wala ka kada tu nang po si makoro. Nanda ka ba berle ka bimo.
Akan di mo na turun ni kor ka mabera.
Nawalam Sarah. Lewaya rakai kalau nggak tahu, tapi nanti bagi lewota atau masih kau tiang. Alen
Oh,
nalia.
ni LM19 ko tabua.
Ayo, Alena Liling Carnival mula
Wey.
sesuatu turanga.
Iya.
Amelia Bax langsung taka.
Hey.
Na wale besar, na wale udah sar cik mai. Marot taka na talo lasa na no tapi na
Ruanga, kasi kan italolas.
And outs pa lang show.
Sekali lagi.
Mata kay punches dono mo likes.
Iya.
Dono mo share taka no page. Ano page ko lewena?
Dono.
Pero sarap talaga aware na mo friends na
Iya.
italo no. Ni uto no bina kaya ni babalag na tama.
Udo main dulu.
Berapa lim sar beto kalian mataka di forum bugri kuah. Bondo tali kerudu singa second last day
Iya.
of the Hibiscus Festival
Dono,
2024.
Right.
Abiki menendo kanda sa pon itu na le tul lebih to kanigo.
Dono mina.
Dena maru tagi chura muni madhaw ni pakata kitangi.
Right.
Kena maru tagi chura sogole buni andi sinito.
Aha.
Biki na tigo go na korto na
This afternoon, we went for the Capa Barrel.
Okay.
La Tonia siento mun kina mulebus ta munimbuda,
Yeah.
sa ta munimbuda 26 ons,
Yeah.
la Green Gold Sisters.
Right.
Right.
I will be at
Location.
who's
Dice
that? Street.
Iya, Patuanga.
Watuanga.
See you there.
One Kababa there.
Right.
Yeah, there.
Right.
When I dito ko nga read ko kay be there. When I see you there.
Is
There.
Yeah.
Alright, me atau pernah ngono taga biro ko tom talikina.
Iya.
Go kurmundu.
Eu mi kagalo.
Demis.
Di kalongata.
Di mo